Welcome back. Watching a developing storm system just off the southeast coast right now, and it's only going to slowly push its way up the east coast here over the next couple of days. And that means a prolonged snow event for us here in the Twin Tiers. And because of that, National Weather Service has upgraded our watch for most of our counties. Tioga County, Pennsylvania is still under a winter storm watch, but for the rest of us, looking at a winter storm warning that goes into effect tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock and lasts through 7 o'clock Thursday morning. Now, even though this begins at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, I think most of tomorrow will be okay, at least on area roads. There will be a light wintry mix to start, but the weather will go downhill in a hurry late in the afternoon, especially during the evening hours as the snow picks up in intensity. So this is what we're expecting, a light mix of rain and sleet and flurries tomorrow morning, and that gradually changes over to a steadier snow as we go into the late afternoon hours tomorrow and into the evening. So expect poor traveling conditions later tomorrow night, and through a good part of Wednesday as well. And on top of the snow, we're expecting some gusty winds to develop out of the northwest tomorrow night into parts of Wednesday. We could be looking at some gusts to near 30 miles an hour, so that could also create some additional issues, perhaps some scattered power outages across the viewing area. So as far as snowfall amounts go, to the south and west of Elmira, where we're still under a watch in the Tioga County, Pennsylvania area, we're going with 3 to 6 inches of accumulation in the darker shaded blue area, which includes most of the viewing area, 6 to as much as 10 inches as you head to the east of Elmira, and then a purple shaded area to the east of Spencer and Sayre over towards Binghamton, 10 to 14 inches, not out of the question. So here's what's going on. We have an area of low pressure tracking across the Great Lakes region and a storm system developing just along the southeast coast right now. What's going to happen is these two are going to merge together and form a larger storm system, and it's going to kind of stall out here just off of the coast of Long Island as a high pressure back over Greenland kind of prevents it from moving along very quickly. So as it kind of stalls out here just to our south and east, it's going to continue to throw moisture back in our direction, and that's going to give us the accumulating snows. Not much going on right now, just that light wintry mix developing over the mid-Atlantic. That'll be heading north overnight tonight. But again, the warnings in pink, the watches in blue, and the advisories in brown. So all kinds of alerts being issued by the National Weather Service. And again, we're expecting significant accumulations locally, as it's not only going to last for tomorrow, but tomorrow night, Wednesday, and the parts of Thursday as well. 31 the current temperature in Elmira, and as Future Track plays it out here tomorrow morning, very early, looking at some very spotty mixed precipitation, but I am forecasting 38 for the 5-degree guarantee. So mainly wet road conditions for a good part of the day tomorrow. But as we go through the afternoon, and especially the evening, temperatures start to drop, precipitation picks up in intensity, and this is when travel will be very poor as we go through tomorrow night, through the overnight period, and for Wednesday morning as well. But notice as we go through the day on Wednesday, the snow persists across the Twin Tiers, so it'll continue to add up, and that'll create some dangerous driving conditions. 5-degree guarantee for today look like this. We forecast 37. We've topped out at 32. 27 our forecast low tonight. We'll hit those readings this evening, then they'll come up a bit through the overnight period, and 38 for tomorrow's 5-degree guarantee. So again, this begins as some wet precipitation, changing over to accumulating snows tomorrow night and Wednesday, lingering snow showers Thursday. Finally, by Friday, we start to dry things out a little bit. Notice a little bit of a warming trend as we go through the weekend. So continue checking back with us. We'll get more information in later tonight and certainly tomorrow morning. We'll be updating these snowfall accumulation maps for you and keep you updated before the storm even arrives.